the minimum admissible score for admission for the next academic session. They told they don't fix some for 150 for universities, 100 for polytechnics, 100 for colleges of education, and 140 for colleges of nursing sciences, and also people then we follow for the head of tertiary institution. Not be everybody supposed to know book.
No be everybody supposed go university. If the standard on day, why we go reduce the standard?
Term of employment so get for this country. If you no get a BSc, they'll just look you summer.
It go cost the educational standard, the level of excellence where still dey shake. Now overcrowding go dey. People wey no even sabi, e go even make the lecturers wey dey overburden before. In fact, they go even kpai for the school.
But there are so many irregularities wey dey happen for JAMB.
Irregularities, you mean?
Yes, even when you want to, they see JAMB before they start. Is it that the paper don't leak or crowd too much or network they disturb? How I go right past where we say you as JAMB, you know if you do your work.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
For JAMB, now 150. Before it was 200. Be like this, some people even talk saying 100 at one point. But officially, now 150 be the cutoff mark for JAMB. I take Siam.
All right, so we also make you know say this matter now something we just dropped few minutes ago. The minimum admissible score for admission for the next academic session. They told they don't fix some for 150 for universities, 100 for polytechnics, 100 for colleges of education, and 140 for colleges of nursing sciences, and also people then we follow for the head of tertiary institution. Make you also know say for 2007 to 2016 the cutoff mark been day 180. For 2017 to 2018 now 120. 219 to 220 160, 221 to 222 140, and right now they don't bring them up to 150. So they just get up and down. This one go come in say me they bring them down or me they take and go up. So you feel say them putting it to 150 now something will make sense or something will not make sense for inside the matter. Some people say na inclusivity it go make people be say they don't really know book but they need to go to university.
How?
So not be everybody supposed to know book.
No be everybody supposed go university. If the standard on day, why we go reduce the standard? Because
but
you don't
the
feel meet up.
system of employment so get for this country. If you no get a BSc, they'll just look you summer.
Hey, then you go work for the BSc. You know go make see. Let me tell you something. It go cost the educational standard, the level of excellence where still dey shake. It go just break that table because now overcrowding go dey. People wey no even sabi, e go even make the lecturers wey dey overburden before make them over. In fact, they go even kpai for the school. God forbid. Because see wey they suppose know, they no go know. They go come water down everything wey suppose dey. Like it no make sense.
Okay,
now.
so make I just break this secret to you. JAMB really know say it gets why they gats drop this whole cutoff mark. Make I tell you what. Number one be say they know say if they have to do everything right about the examination, everybody go write exam, they go pass. But there are so many irregularities where they happen for JAMB.
Irregularities, you mean?
Yes, even when you want to, they see JAMB before they start. Is it that the paper don't leak or crowd too much or network they disturb? How I go right past where we say you as JAMB, you know if you do your work. I bet reduce am make you know say they do your work now. Why you reduce am? Make everybody just say their own. I know book now because of arrange well. Now why I fail?
I doubt am.
Moku see now everybody come moku know how the matter to be. Parents put mouth. You know book you can't still drop my mark. 09048213013. Not be because I know no book now because say some JAMB that they turn you on your own. Now it make me get 190. That's how they do 200 that year. But it's well with my soul. That's a listing where they talk about the recent cutoff mark of JAMB. And it's still they shake for on top the matter.
Yes, so this one a way to be go by a Burner Boy on top is 9.9 and guy from such a way sabi. So just before we enter this cutoff mark or no cutoff mark, Burner Boy, say this song day on top twice as tall album we released for 2020. However, it was featured in a song we go day released tomorrow. It was featured by Shabuzi. Yes, so and they go release the song tomorrow. Change your mind. Say now for here you go hear that song tomorrow. So ensure say you mark your calendar for 9th of July 2025.
Burner Boy burning and making the sound this time around. My brother, my sister, we see day for on top Not true or not wash. And the matter, now the one we concern JAMB, they just drop the cutoff mark to 150. Before now, I remember when I write JAMB, now 200 will make me get 190 something, and I no can get into university that very year.
So
now
the issue there with the exams or the way they mark
wait now, it gets where they go. So the day of the examination, the exam was supposed to start at 9:10, and this exam started at 11:12. Then we had issues with they say network to take enter us in. They had so many irregularities. The harshness of the invigilator.
Irregularities, you mean?
Plenty.
Okay.
You understand? The harshness of the people with the invigilate, so many things, because that was my first time of seeing soldiers with gun. You understand?
Mado.
If you see the way I did they shake to write my exam, then I got 190 something.
So now all those things will affect you.
Wait now. Then I got 190 something. The truth is, if I check the question where they ask me, baby, I will answer it and I'll clear it, because I was not a dull student. I be above average student, right? So telling me that as they drop the score, it go make sense. It go really help those when on no book. If you go to what you call them, polytechnic or the rest. Examination, I've said it, is not the best way to know that a child is intelligent. So them dropping it to 150, I think it go really help others.
It no go help anybody.
It will help a lot.
It no go help anybody, because as we said, first of all, it go reduce the excellence where we suppose get for the university. You know, say even the people where they there now, they don't even sabi wetin they suppose sabi before they enter university. And all the trauma where you say that you got which affected you, it happens. See, there are people where their belly they run when it's time for the exam. You know, be say they will now cut off the mark just to admit people, because of not be this same JAMB where we say they put for 2 a.m. or very ungodly hour. We know say JAMB gets it, but to now reduce the cutoff because they want more people to enter the university, it no to make sense at all. Guess what? More people will now get admission into the university, which is a good thing. But do we even have university where get the capacity? Hostels go choke. There is no capacity. Even the lecturers, they are still complaining of meager salary where they still no fee, control and
May the first enter first.
No,
let us enter, because as you increase them before you go max pressure on people to do exam malpractice.
Every year we still they bring out half-baked. In fact, the doors there still they stretch like this.
But we still get people that represent us for outside the country.
How many people? What do they talk? People we want japa. People we want japa.
Us with academic success and
excellence. Send your message on top WhatsApp.
Make we know what you think. 0904-821-3013. This cutoff mark where they bring that to 150. Not true. It makes sense. I've been at watch. It no make sense at all. I know you will say something that makes sense.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.